Hello, everyone! Today's tutorial will guide you through the process of launching a new document workflow in elDoc. To get started, navigate to Start Workflow and click on the desired document type that corresponds to the already configured workflow in the system. To initiate the workflow, simply fill in the necessary pre-configured fields that are relevant to this type of document. If needed, you can establish reference links in the document to establish connections based on relevance. You can also review the template attached to this document workflow, which is set by default. Or you may attach an additional document template as well. This workflow is pre-configured to offer users flexibility in building the approval process on the fly. You can select the users and define the sequence based on your specific requirements. On the control panel below, you can print the document, register it with a barcode, set reminders, delete the document, or adjust the access rights for this specific document type. Once all steps are completed, simply click the Send button, and the workflow will be initiated. Relevant users will receive email notifications indicating that this document is pending their review. When necessary, you can check the status of the document by clicking on the corresponding workflow. Navigate to the Monitoring tab, where you'll find the details and the current status of the workflow. On this page, you also have a control panel that grants you the ability to suspend, cancel, block, or adjust the access rights for this workflow. Don't delay, seize your elDoc trial right away.